Assalamualaikum and hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am Harris and you are watching Mr. Epic channel. Guys, the company like those employees who work smartly and save the time. This is the era of doing smart work. So if you need to create the special space in your company, you have to follow me. Now the question is that why? Because I have smart IT hacks for you which can prominent you in your organization and become you famous among your colleagues. So guys, today I have a cool Microsoft Excel tricks which is very helpful for you to perform your daily tasks. So the trick is that how can you count male and female in the given data? Let's suppose you can see the data at your screen. Now there is two methods. First is manual segregation, which needs sufficiently time to perform this task. So don't be a slow worker, be a smart worker. So let's move towards laptop screen and find out how can we calculate the count of male and female by using just one formula. Now how to count female and male in data. So you can see the serial number, names and gender. So this is the sample data of 10 employees. If you have the big data like 100 entries or 200 entries, so it's quite difficult to calculate manually. So we go towards the female count and apply the shortest formula. You just type it is equal to count if bracket start and then select the range like by pressing Ctrl Shift down arrow key, then comma, double quote, write female, double quote and close the bracket and then press enter. You can see that 6 females are exist in this data of 10 employees. The same formula we can apply at male count box is equal to count if bracket start, select the range, comma, double quote, write male, double quote, bracket close, enter, and 4 males exist in this data. So this is the shortest way to calculate and to bifurcate or segregate the male and female in your data. So guys, this trick can helps you in your routine tasks, and by adopting that type of tricks you become dominant personality in your company. So if you learn this short trick, then like the video, share it, subscribe the channel and get many more. I will be right back with some more IT tricks and hacks. So till then, take care, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.